Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're all humans and it's very natural to get pimples, body acne and zits, especially during this time of the year when it's super hot and the summers are at its peak. And let's agree that at least once in a lifetime we probably must have popped the back zit or scratched the armpit pimple at least once in a lifetime. These breakouts and very unnecessary pimples and body acne and zits, they not only damage our skin but they also damage our self-esteem to a very massive extent. And today I am going to share with you a very simple recipe of a at-home bar soap that you can make conveniently. It's super simple, very quick to make, and that not only controls the emergence of body acne but also keeps infections at bay. What I'm going to use for this DIY is organic rose petals, organic mint leaves, peppermint essential oil, tea tree essential oil, bentonite clay, and I'm using goat's milk soap. I bought it from Amazon. It's organic. However, you can use any other ready-made soap. You would also need a soap mold. Now take the grinder and churn the rose petals and mint leaves thoroughly in order to make very fine powder form of both the items. Once the powders are ready, then you can take the soap and convert it into a microwavable container and then melt it for 30 seconds in the microwave. Now mix the rose petals and mint leaves in the solution and also take about 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay. Mix it really well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of drops of both the essential oils that I took initially, peppermint and tea tree, say about 5 to 10 drops of each. And then pour the mixture in the mold. Now spray some rubbing alcohol to remove any sort of air bubbles and let it sit until the soap cools and hardens. So you can keep it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours, and once it's all solidified, your bar soaps are ready. Now these bar soaps will not only prevent you from getting body acne and pimples very often, but they will also nourish your skin and keep your skin very moisturized and hydrated at all times, and will also brighten your skin naturally. So this is a very simple DIY. I've been using these bar soaps continuously now. So I made a batch of 6 and I have kept them in the refrigerator. So I take one by one and then I keep using, and these actually make really super cool and very cute gifts also. So you can customize them, put labels and put it in a really fancy jar and then just package it really nicely, and you can gift them to your friends and family members or to anyone else. So I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe and stay tuned. Bye guys.